I'm Dr. Sam Lam, hair transplant surgeon in Dallas, Texas. I want to talk to you about how important I believe the consultation process is. It's the beginning of our relationship where I can talk to you about and guide you in terms of safety and effectiveness of medical therapy, surgical therapy, and what would be the most tailored option for you. I want to talk to you about the nature of our procedure. It is in a Joint Commission accredited surgical facility, which in plain English means it's safe and you don't feel anything because we give you a really good conscious sedation, which makes it really, really comfortable. I also want to tell you as a physician, I'm in charge of every aspect of the procedure from hairline design to recipient site creation, designing the pattern for you, as well as FUE harvesting so that I can protect that donor area. I can get you the best results. There are no technicians or anyone else doing it. I am performing the entire surgical procedure for you. Next, I want to talk about my team. First and foremost is Amina, who's been with me 20 years. She's won the Distinguished Surgical Assistant of the Year Award by the ISHRS. They've only given about 18 out over the course of their 30-year history. She is the author of the only textbook for surgical assistants. But beyond all the accolades she has in the industry, the biggest thing I can tell you is that she's incredibly passionate and has a critical eye and has published all about critical quality control. And that is why you get great results, not just because of me.
Hi, my name is Amina, and I'm here to talk to you about Dr. Lam, since I've been working with him for over 20 years. He's the most ethical, creative, attentive surgeon, and he really cares about his patients. He is the leader in the industry. He's a recipient of the Golden Follicle, the award that is given to the surgeons as a recognition, as a highest achievement recognition by the ISHRS. And he also is the author of the only surgical textbook on FUE procedure. And in total, he published 9 surgical textbooks in hair restoration. And overall, working with Dr. Lam is amazing. I'm really proud to be working with him for all these years.
I want to conclude by saying how happy and honored I am to come to work every day because as an artist, I love designing beautiful results for my patients. It gives me a deep joy to do that for all patients of all ethnicities, both genders, in difficult situations from beard to eyebrows to scalps. Everything out there has equal passion to me, and I look forward to seeing you here.